Have you been trying to find that perfect Valentine's Day gift? Well, you're in luck. Today I'm going to show you 2 different gift ideas you can make with the help of your Cricut. The first one is a personalized mug and the other one a guitar pick. For the mug and the guitar pick, I will be doing the same color of vinyl. So I went ahead and cut out a piece of vinyl slightly larger than my designs. And then I'm going to apply it with the liner side down onto my strong grip mat. I went ahead and installed my fine point blade. So now I'm going to load my mat. I like to weed my vinyl when it's still on the mat. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and flip my mat upside down. And then I'm going to take a pair of tweezers, starting at the corner, and slowly peel the vinyl. Okay, now I'm going to remove this from my mat. Now to get the text onto my coffee cup, I'm going to need to apply some transfer tape over the vinyl. So I went ahead and cut a piece that was slightly larger. It's going to peel off the backing here. Now I'm going to take my scraper tool and firmly press on the letters. You'll see right here it didn't stick, so I'm just going to press that down again. And you'll want to continue to repeat that until all the letters stick to the transfer tape. Now I'm going to do the same for my guitar pick. So just lining up my transfer tape here. It's pretty sticky. So I'm almost ready to put my vinyl onto my coffee mug, but I need to go ahead and clean the area where I will be applying the vinyl first. So I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol. I'm just going to let that air dry. Okay, it's completely dry, so now I could go ahead and apply my vinyl. I'm going to take my scraper tool again, press down each of the letters to the cup. Slowly pull on the transfer tape. Okay, now for the guitar pick. I think I'm gonna go ahead and trim some of this transfer tape here. Here's how they turned out. So I would definitely say that this is beginner friendly and they're super inexpensive to make. I actually picked up the mug from the dollar store.